that is being launched, which is called the Build Clean Now. And in fact, we're going to move from the green market demand to the green market supply. The promise is clear. You can show the first slide. The promise is clear. Clean industry will deliver stronger economy. Each country will benefit from jobs, from an industry that survives, resilient supply chain, and greater energy and food security. All that for a healthier planet. At the same time, those who will move earlier will build a competitive advantage. And what becomes clear, even though I recognize that the current context is a bit complicated, those who move too slow will lose everything. So the way, and you can move to the next slide, the way the world produces the materials, chemicals, and fuels will rely on this transformation. So as you can see, there is already a clear pipelines of projects to decarbonize those industries, whether you talk about steel, cement, aviation, etc. And you've got nearly 70 clean industrial plants that are operating worldwide today, with more than 700 projects across 70 countries. So it's not just limited to one country. This data is from Mission Possible Partnership Global Tracker project, which geo-spots the pipeline of commercial scale net zero aligned clean industrial plants across energy intensive industrial sector, as you can see. And as you can see, we have the projects. We know where they are quite precisely. All we need now is the money. And you've always attended all this discussion about finance telling you where are the projects, and projects telling you where are the finance, and the policymakers saying, and what about my economical development? I mean, you got the answers here. You have the projects, and it's clear that on the economical development, if you don't adapt your strategy industrially, you're not going to be among the winners in the future. So we can unleash unstoppable progress in the next 5 years, and we have to do it, in fact. The projects exist, and the benefits are within reach, but we need acceleration. It's the whole climate story, okay? That's what you hear all the week. We need acceleration. It's not enough. We need to go faster. Here we have it. We have it. So that's why this campaign is quite critical, because you know at the end, the clean industry is the third pillar of everything that we're trying to do on the energy transition. Tripling of the renewables, doubling of the energy efficiency. The third one is the clean industry. And if we're not going to make that happen, it's not going to fulfill the goals that we need to have. So now is the time to instill the same momentum on clean industry, rallying countries, companies, and capital providers to make sure that we unlock the next wave. So if you go to the fourth slide, this is where I wanted to head, you know, on behalf of the MPP, that the Build Clean Now is a global campaign to fast-track this clean industrial revolution. The mission is to accelerate the pace at which clean industrial projects are financed and built year on year. Currently, it's 15 a year. We need 50. And therefore, this acceleration is necessary over the next 4 to 5 years. How the campaigns will work, working with governments, industry, financial institutions, and civil society partners, the campaign will help celebrating the success, of course, but adding value, because sharing intelligence from real-world projects, experience on the most effective actions to fast-track plans. So the more we do, the more we know, the better we are at it. And running country workshops, bringing together policymakers, industry leaders, and investor and civil society just to make it happen and to have more and more countries developing their industrial strategy in a clean way. So on the last slide, this is the time to build Clean Now, to seize the economic development and the opportunity. And you have here the code, and the website is open, so we count on you to participate actively to this campaign. Thank you very much.